Welcome back, students. Today we are going to understand about power sharing. In power sharing, there are two stories, one of Belgium and second one of Sri Lanka. So in the story of Belgium, we will understand ethnic composition of Belgium. Belgium was mostly divided into two communities, French and Dutch speaking people. French speaking people, those who were living in south part of Belgium, whose percentage was 40%, and people living in north side of Belgium, they were Dutch speaking, and the percentage of Dutch speaking peoples of total population of Belgium was particular 59% as it is, and rest of 1% though were living in both the sides of north and side were Germans, and the population of French community was mostly very rich and dominated, and people's Dutch, they were very late educated and they were unable to understand things. So that after some time French started dominating and getting profit in jobs, institutions and admissions in universities. Finally Dutch started revolt. Dutch started the conflict with French speaking peoples. Finally there was a civil war. To reduce the civil war, the government of Belgium decided to power sharing, and finally there was a method of power sharing that is known as accommodation, and they power shared in central government, state government and community government. So all these things are telling that if there is power sharing, there is no conflict. With the view of this, we are going to understand there was 4 times constitutional change in Belgium. After the constitution change, all the things came on the route and finally Belgium was able to run smoothly. Here, one thing in exam, always there are questions from the chapter, this topic. First of all, what is ethnic composition of Belgium? So now you have to write here ethnic composition of Belgium: Dutch speaking 59%, living in Flemish region in north side, and French speaking people living in Wallonia, those are 40%, and rest of 1% are German speaking who are living in both sides. So finally this is and the viewpoint of ethnic composition of Belgium. Whenever we talk about the question, this country is compared with Indian state named Haryana, and 1 crore something population is there also. The neighboring country of Belgium are Luxembourg, France, Switzerland and Netherlands. So first question that you have to answer right now, first question is, what is capital of Brussels? So capital of Brussels, there was also another way of ethnic composition, division of ethnicity. There was 80% only French speaking community and 20% Dutch speaking community. Clear? So capital city Brussels was very different from whole Belgium. So finally I hope you understood about the ethnic composition of Belgium. So let's meet in another video with another topic. Thank you. Have a wonderful day ahead.